How to withdraw money from Bybit to bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can withdraw money from Bybit to bank account. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. Before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your Bybit application onto your device. After opening up your Bybit application, in order to withdraw, you just need to tap on Assets tab. And here, in order to withdraw money from Bybit to bank account, you need to have some funds. In order to transfer those funds, you just need to tap on transfer. And here you need to enter the amount and transfer the money into your Bybit account. So here, after transferring your money, you just need to get back to the home page in order to withdraw money from the Bybit to bank account. So the only method on how you can withdraw money from Bybit to bank account is using the P2P process. So in order to do that process, you need to get to your home page, and here you can see P2P trading here on your home screen. Just tap on P2P trading. After that, wait for it to be loaded. And here you need to sell your crypto in order to withdraw money. So for that, you just need to wait. So here you need to sell your crypto. In order to do that, you may just choose any of the USDT, USDC, BTC, or any of the payment methods, and you can see all the payment methods here. Just you need to just sell it to one of the merchants whomever you want. Tap on the merchant. After that, just enter the amount that you want to withdraw from, and just like that, you can go with the withdrawal process and withdraw money from Bybit to bank account easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.